In the 1970s, Richard Dennis developed the turtle trading strategy. The strategy made him earn over $350 million, starting off with only $1,600. And I have backtested this strategy for over 10 years to see if it still works out and if it works on Bitcoin. So let's head in, and if you don't know this trading strategy, we're going to use the Donchian channels. Okay, the Donchian channels, basically what they do is mark out the support and resistance of the last 20 days, in this case 20 days because I've marked out 20 days. We can change this in the settings. So if I want to mark it out in the 50 days, it will mark out the last support and resistance of the last 50 days. It's basically the high and the low of the last 50 days. And obviously in days, because we're on a daily time frame, if we put it in an hourly time frame, it would be for the last 50 hours. So knowing that, what we're going to do is enter the market when price breaks above or below these levels, and that's the only thing we need to do. And we're going to exit the trade when it does the opposite. So in this case, we would enter the market down below here when price broke above the level, and we just need for the price to come back down to the bottom level so we can leave the trade. So in this case, when market dropped back down here, we would have left the market at 46,000, taking a trade at $12,000. So obviously this is a huge profit, and this is why it goes so well on Bitcoin, because Bitcoin has some really long trendy markets. Obviously when we are in our bull run, but as well when we are in the bear run, we get some nice trends as well, and we can get some huge amounts of profit, as you can see on here. So obviously I asked ChatGPT to program this trading strategy so I could see the results that I had through the time, and obviously do a 10-euro backtest on the strategy to see if it actually works today. So as you can see here, I've got the turtle trading strategy already completely scripted by ChatGPT. And when we enter this trading strategy, it is an absolute monster. As we can see, there's over 10 years of backtesting done since 2015, virtually since Bitcoin was born. And ladies and gentlemen, look at this performance. We can see over 126% gain, and we can see a profit factor of 2.7. That is super high. And as I said before, Bitcoin has some massive bull runs, and we can see them already on the equity chart. As we can see these huge bumps up here, this is because obviously Bitcoin has blew up and it's made this insane profit. The only thing that I have changed of this strategy, that instead of using the exit on the 20 period Donchian channel, I have used the 10 period Donchian channel, because that way we can get some closer exits and not leave so many profits on the table. But I must say that this strategy only works on the daily time frame, because if we take it on lower time frames, we won't get so good results as we can see on here. Like if we can go to a 4-hour chart, we'll be able to see that the strategy performs more or less well, but it doesn't make not even near the amount of profit that we have done in the daily time frame. Here we only made a 10% profit. In the daily time frame, made over 100% profit. But the best part of this is that we don't have to take any trading decisions, because it's a complete mechanic strategy. So we only need to follow the rules every single day to hit these profits. But let me know back down in the comments if you knew this trading strategy, and if you knew that it works great on Bitcoin. I hope you're good, and I'll see you next time.